Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy a page from publisher to Word document. So let's started. At first open your publisher document. In this video I will show copy page from publisher to Word. Now select from page. Now going to the home menu option, then click. Now click for copy option. Now going to the from device in the Word document. Now you can see the new interface. Now select from blank document from Word. Now going to the paste option. Now select that it's. Now you can see copy paste publisher to Word document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for